Good morning, world. We survived a night at the Hilton Garden Inn. It was a little older place, but it was fine. Although I just went into the men's bathroom and somebody had ripped the divider between the urinals off the wall and it was all laying over the toilet and stuff. Good times.
Somebody did not have a good morning.
Anyway, welcome to the South where humidity rules. Like it's 76 degrees here this morning. And it's muggy and sticky and it's exactly what we love. Anyway, we're headed out of here. We're gonna go fill up with gas and then we're headed over to Warhawk Harley Davidson and we'll show you around that place. Are you ready to go? Today is a busy day.
I'm excited to meet everybody though.
We are on a schedule, like bam, 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 all the way till like 6 p.m. tonight. So here we go. Yeah. See you in a few. All right, we have arrived. You can see the motorcycles everywhere. Welcome to Warhawk Harley Davidson. Mama's still over there working on her phone. We're gonna get you some. Come on, Mama, let's go play in the store. Let's mess with Mama. All right, y'all ready to go in? Let's go check this place out. See if Mama's in here. Is she greeting us? She's not greeting us. You're not like all happy and wavy and look at that.
I was taking a
Pictures
picture of the
right into spring on new Harley Davidson. There's Warhawk again. Nice little place they got here. Motorcycles everywhere. Even got some deer heads up there. Anyway, there you go. Let's check this place out. Hey guys, so the coolest guy in the Harley dealership, this is Milo. Look at Milo. Isn't he beautiful? Look at the hair. Look at the hair. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah.
So who's his owner?
Could you imagine dealing with that hair? What's your name?
Gordon Davis.
Gordon Davis. Well, Gordon, Milo is beautiful. Thank you for bringing him in today because us bikers love dogs.
It looks like Gordon did.
Run for the Wall,
Yep.
2024. Run for the Wall.
Yep.
I'm the state coordinator.
You're the state coordinator.
Ah, okay.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Well, guys, go look up Run for the Wall. You guys doing it again in 2025 or?
They've been doing it since 89.
89. So they can look you up online?
Yeah, I'm online. Run for the Wall is online. I've got my own personal page.
Perfect.
Run for the Wall is a veterans group.
Uh-huh.
And they spend 10 days riding across from California to DC for Memorial Day.
All right.
We're on the southern route, so they'll be stopping in Monroe on May the 19th.
They're stopping in Monroe May the 19th. If you're around, come check it out, guys. We are setting up Warhawk Harley Davidson where you can get your poos. So come see these two gentlemen when it's time for some poo.
All right, guys, I'm at Warhawk Harley Davidson, located in Monroe, and we are dropping off our little poos. But when you come here, you need to ask for Byron or Spencer. So they're the ones to talk to get your little poo. Scan the little QR code inside, see if you're a winner. Help us out by spreading the Rick Rider Fund. Grab your poo. We got all 6 colors here. One of you's a winner. Come ride, figure out if you're a winner or not. All right.
Stop 1 is done. We're 3 hours and 25 minutes away from stop number 2. After lunch, too, at 1,000 Newtons. And it's highway ride. No fun today. See you there. All right, first rain shower of the day. About 45 minutes into the trip. Should be a quick of the highway. We're barely crawling along. It always seems like it's the highways you hit to go faster that have all the construction and wrecks that slow you down. And they're less fun to ride. What the fuck? That is all. Alright, quick gas stop, bathroom stop, snack stop. These are awesome. We love carrying those with us. But anyway, this is the cheapest gas I've found. 93 at 365. We're in Mississippi. 84 miles to our next stop. You ready, Mama? Huh?
I want chips.
Sorry, no chips for you. We made it. Cows and Coops. I had the worst time remembering the name of this place. I've called it the Chicken Coop. I've called it Dogs and Cats. I've called it all kinds of things. So Cows and Coops. They have burgers and tenders, and I'm hungry, so I can't wait. Anyway, we're here. It is like 1:30. We're gonna grab some food, and then we'll go on to the next step. But let's go see what their food's all about. Let's check out their menu. Look at that, they got a big cock in here. Anyway, continuing on. So they've got pork, all kinds of appetizers, wings, tenders, burgers and chicken sandwiches. You can build them your way. What a cool little place. I think they got a room back here. Yeah, look at that. They got another room over here. So if you guys are out riding, come check this place out. We're gonna eat. I'll tell you all about the food here in just a few. All right, guys, come get your poo here.
Located in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and we're dropping off some little poops here. If you guys don't know about the little poops, it's for the wrecked rider fund because shit happens. So you come pick up your poop. There's going to be 6 different ones here. You guys scan the QR code inside. Each little poo has a road name and a backstory. So you just walk in the door, ask for your little poo. They'll hand this to you, and you scan the QR code.
Come in, get you some food. I saw ice cream in there too. You guys have ice cream, right? Ice cream, guys. Who doesn't take motorcycle rides for ice cream? You guys also have a bike night, right? Every Saturday?
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday, guys. Bike night, burgers, bikes. What more can you ask for? Come see them. Tell them the Badger sent you. Guys, our next stop is Uncle Jesse's Garage. Motorcycle, diesel, auto, ATVs, the whole 9 yards. Veteran owned and operated. He's also mobile. So if you break down or you have an issue, they'll literally come to you roadside and help you get fixed up and rolling. All right, you got everything lined up, Ange? Did you get all your poos?
Got poop. Passing the poo.
All right. Well, you guys have met them, but you haven't met. They said his name was Shithead, but I don't think that's right. What's your name, man?
My name's Draken.
Draken, you're 16?
Yep.
All right. Well, come and see them. Say hi to Draken. All right, this is our final gas stop till we get to Billy's tonight. We are 119 miles away, a couple of hours. We should be there, I don't know, 6:15-ish or so. Anyway, that last business, what a great family-owned business. And the best part is they come to you, because I don't know about you, but I've never broke down in front of a motorcycle shop. So they'll come, help you out. I thought that was great. Welcome to Alabama! Two of our favorite things are bridges and tunnels. Well, welcome to Mobile and the tunnel. Love the tunnel. Here we go! Hi guys, we made it. Welcome to Fairhope. And we're at Billy's. Billy himself.
Hey, how are you?
Anyway, we're here. We're gonna go check this place out. You can kind of get a lay of the land. What a cool place. The trees all provide shade. I see like the Blues Brothers over there. There's like a goat on the roof, a bicycle. There's no telling what we're gonna find here. I can't wait to check it out. This looks like Mama Badger's kind of place.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go check it out.
Fairhope, right?
Right.
Alright guys, I'm passing out more poo. We are in Fairhope, Alabama at Billy's restaurant.
That's right.
You guys got to come check it out, and when you come, you need to ask for your little poo. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, we're talking about the Wrecked Rider Fund. If you come, ask for your little poo. You'll scan the little QR code inside. It's going to tell you whether you're a winner or not. And it's also going to tell you the name of your poo and his little backstory. Yes, he's got a road name. So if you're ever in a wreck, Support Bikers is here to help you because shit happens. So be sure to come to Billy's, ask for your little poo. We've only dropped off 6 at this time, and one of you is a winner.
All right guys, so we're entering Billy's world. This is his truck. This is his office here. He also has a room for private events. And he has bike nights, first Wednesday of every month. So you can come check that out. Look at this. There's the Blues Brothers hanging out. Game challenges, cornhole, table tennis, Jenga. Got some tents out here. Disney World is 496.6 miles away. Pirates Cove, New Orleans is that way. This place is pretty cool. Go check that out. They have saddles you can sit on. All businesses advertised on there. That's pretty cool. Horn Island's 52.4 miles. This place is pretty eclectic, right? You have to look all around. You don't know what you're going to see around here. This is where we're eating tonight too. I'm excited. Let's go see if we can find them now that I'm done wandering around. The first thing we're eating, and I never video our food, but we're going to today. Billy, tell us what this is.
This is our pork belly trio at Billy's. It's 6 individual bites that have all been slow cooked. After they've been cured, smoked, and turned into bacon, they're confited, meaning they're cooked in their own fat. And then we've got 2 barbecue, 2 Asian ginger, and 2 spicy sriracha served with a pickled egg.
All right, let's give this a try.
All right, so what's the names?
Solid.
Solly? All right, and then we've got another one.
Yeah, we got Ace right here.
An Ace, but instead of having their food, you guys ordered chicken for them. They've got their own little taco. How great is that? You guys are spoiled. Spoiled rotten.
All right, so the food was awesome, but you gotta see this dessert. I ordered a brownie. Look at that monster. Holy moly. I'm gonna need help. Send help. All right guys, so you saw how cool Billy's was.
Dang.
So cool that I couldn't put it all in this video. So there's just a little bit of Billy's in this video. I'm gonna do a whole video on Billy's special probably next week. So watch for that.
Okay, so when we went, we didn't know what to expect. And then when we got there, we were just in
Blown
awe.
away.
Like this. And then there's that, and then there's this story, and then there's this place, and he's bunking people, and he's got conference rooms, and I mean, it's just
So cool, guys.
to the point where he has to literally do a whole video on this place. So once he gets that uploaded, you guys have got to check it out.
Right, this guy is all in. He spent 13 years of his life. He survived COVID, the whole 9 yards. So if you guys are in the area, bacon. If you like bacon, go order some of his bacon. I'll put links in the full video for all of that. Support him, guys.
Yes, please.
All right, guys, as you saw, what a day. And holy humidity, Batman. It's hot. When Angie's like, you know it's hot. You know it's hot.
I said we's in the south.
and the sun is not out. So it is hot and humid. But what a crazy full day.
It was amazing.
So we got lots done today. Tomorrow we're gonna end at a business, but tomorrow's coastal riding. The day is ours. I'm pretty excited about that.
Yes.
We love coastal riding.
Yes.
So in order for me to do that though, I have to wrap this video, I have to edit this video, I have to post this video before I can go to bed. And I can't go to bed talking to you. So that's the end. I'll see you tomorrow.